Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D, and today we are going to be finishing up part of this project. So, I'm just going to see if this works, of course. So here I have some Mod Podge. I'm in my garage right now, and this is spray-on Mod Podge. So I'm going to spray several coats onto this print from made out of Bronzeville, and we're going to see what effects it has and if it keeps the metal particles from sticking to your fingers and if it still looks good. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just shake this up a little bit because that's what the instructions were, just to mix everything inside. Okay, and then I have to spray some coats. Now, this probably won't be perfect the first time through, but practice makes perfect. Alright guys, so it has been about 15 minutes, so I am going to apply the second coat. So let's do that. Alright, it's been probably 12 hours, and I believe it is dry. Yeah, it is. And now I'm holding it, and I'm not getting anything on my hand, which is great. The only issue is that it kind of lost some of its shine to it, but that is very cool. So now I'm not getting anything on my hands. So that totally worked, which is awesome. So I'm going to do some more experiments with the Mod Podge and Bronzeville now that I know that it works. Now the only thing I notice is there is some acetone in this. As you can see, it says right there, acetone. And I noticed that this kind of like warped a little bit. And I know this is PLA, but I don't know, it wasn't warped before. But that's not really a big issue. I'm just happy that this experiment worked, and now I'm excited to try some more stuff with it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.